Hello friends, welcome again to this Tech Lab. Today I'm come with a new device, and this is the most popular device we all know. This wireless microphone come from China, K8 wireless microphone. Nowadays, most of the people are like to use a wireless microphone, and they can easily bought it because it's really cheap. So today I'm going to unbox it and share my experience with all of you. So let's see what we have in it. At first I'm going to open up, and that was a intake product, and it was covered by a heavy plastic. I just open the plastic first and see what we have. This box is good enough. Let's see, it has a receiver and a microphone. You can see this is the receiver, what we need to connect with our mobile phone. This is a type C receiver, and this is the most important thing, the microphone. It's very lighter in weight, light plastic used here, and in this box we have a USB cable also, I think. Yes, this is a cable, and inside the box there is a manual for us. I'm not going to read it out. I'll just try to open the box where we have a USB cable for charging the microphone. You can see this is the cable. So I'm not going to use it, but I can show you. So this is it. This is what we have in this box: the receiver, microphone, and the cable. Uh, this looks good, very light in weight, looks premium in shape. There is a clip also. Though it's not rotatable, it's fixed, but it's okay in this budget. You can fix it with this clip. All in all, I think the receiver and microphone build quality is good enough according to the price range. And now it's time to see how good it will perform for us. I heard a lot about this microphone. This microphone is good enough, but now I'm going to use it in my practical life, and I'm going to share my experience with all of you. So let's see what I have found on it. Friends, now I'm going to test the K8 wireless microphone with this video clip. Now I'm recording with the new one. The voice you are hearing is recorded by the K8 wireless microphone. I have already connected the receiver with my mobile phone and talking with this microphone. Uh, you will surely understand the difference between the last audio that what I am already recorded in the previous part of this video, and this is the latest voice from this wireless microphone. There is some specification written down on the back side of the cover. You can see plug and play, 20 meter of accessible reception, precious radio, highly sensitive, and widely compatible, of course. So I think in this budget segment, it has lots of feature. It's type C port and single microphone here. So according to my conception, I think it's one of the best choices for all of us, those who are looking for a budget wireless microphone. And of course you are hearing me through this wireless microphone. Tell me, how was that? Friends, in this part I'm going to show you the difference between two wave that what I have found from Boya wired microphone, and my new K8 wireless microphone. So you can easily distinguish the difference between these two microphone. The wave will show you clearly the difference of these microphones. So at first I'm going to record with my K8 wireless microphone, and I'm already open a software Audacity. People already know about this software, so let's start. Now I'm recording this voice from K8 wireless microphone. You can see the wave is so smooth, it's not scattered as much, and it's not so bigger and low, it's a moderate. You can see the wave of K8 wireless microphone in the first track. Now I'm going to record in the second track through my Boya microphone. Let's see what it will be. The wave you have seen in the second track, this is from my Boya M1 lavalier microphone. You can see how bigger and how scattered the wave is, and these waves are clearly shown the difference between K8 and Boya microphone. I don't know why it's looking like that. Boya is one of the most popular and good microphone I have ever used, but K8 is showing some good quality in this taste, and it's surprising because K8 performing very well, and it's showing that it's performed better than Boya M1 microphone. But I think Boya is Boya. We never defeat him. But in this budget segment, K8 really perform well. If you are looking for a budget friendly wireless microphone, you can easily choose this K8 wireless microphone. Boya is good enough. I think it's your choice or your priority which one most suitable for you. So my work is just showing you the comparison, the performance of the new products, and finally you will going to choose for yours which one is better for you. So that's all from me. If this video helps you, just thumbs up and stay with SSTech Tech Lab. I'm going to give you some more information with the latest technologies. So be safe, stay with us, and keep me in your prayer. Thank you.